welcome to Seeds by Sea. My name is Celia Murray, and the purpose of this channel is to drop seeds of knowledge as it relates to faith, family, and finance. Today, we're going to be discussing increase. Are you ready for an increase? You may say, yes, Celia, I'm ready for an increase. I am so ready for an increase. Okay, so if you're ready, do you have a plan? A written strategic plan on what you're going to do with the money. I'm not talking about going out and buy new gym shoes, a new purse, something to keep up with the Joneses. What is your plan with your increase? An increase, stimulus check, income tax refund, a settlement, annual increase at work. If we continue to do the same things, we will continue to get the same results. What are we doing in order to maximize our money? Our money working for us instead of us working for it. Come on, let's do this. Whenever you receive an increase, have a plan in order for you to advance. And so let's talk about some things that you can consider doing. I always suggest with increase, give back. A percentage, give back. Sow into fertile ground, whether it be your local church or organization that you know about, give back. You may say, Celia, I have a large increase. I'm thinking about buying a new home. Before you put all of your eggs in one basket, stop. Never put all your eggs in one basket. NACA is a program where basically you don't have to put anything down, which is a Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America. That's what NACA stands for. And they basically take you through a budgeting program, and you have to take these courses, but they help you to get a very low interest rate. Credit unions have programs, major banks have programs, as well as the federal government. When they say first-time homeowner, it doesn't mean that this is your first home that you've owned. You just have to wait out a period before you can receive the benefits of a first-time homeowner. And consider this. If you're buying a home, what about a duplex? Where you can make income off of your home. The income that you make from the tenant can pay the mortgage. And it may allow you to even have extra. Think about that. A 2-family or 4-family unit. If you want to pay a couple of extra $100 or so on your mortgage, make sure you send 2 payments in. One, the standard payment, and the second with the extra. And notate on the check or money order, apply to principal. This way, it will help your mortgage be paid off quick. I would encourage you each month to apply something to your principal, even if it's an extra $50. But again, put it in a separate payment and notate apply to principal, because if you don't, they're going to lump it all together. You may say, Celia, I want to put some of this money in the bank. Well, the banks really don't pay you anything for holding your money. But if you just have to put the money in the bank, which you should have at least 6 months of emergency fund. If you can't have 6 months, just strive for a month. Start with a month of emergency fund. You need to have an emergency fund. I know that Chase will pay you $200 if you if you open up a new account, and I think after the first 90 days, they'll put the $200 in your account, but I think you have to have direct deposit. Check into the banks. Don't just go to any bank and just say, I want to open up an account. What are they going to give you for opening up that account? And Chase also has, if you recommend people, they'll give you $50 for every person you recommend up to a certain amount. No, I'm not promoting Chase. I just know about Chase. If you have a car, I would strongly suggest that you maintain the car that you're in, especially if it's paid off. It's nothing like getting a new car because it's not yours until it's paid off. And if it's behind in notes, you'll understand what I mean because they'll come and pick it up. So if you have a car that's paid off, just clean it up, keep it. Don't go into debt with a new car unless you really have to. And then if you do have to, consider a pre-owned vehicle. Consider one that you can cash out if you can, without putting all of your eggs in one basket. Auto insurance. With auto insurance, you can pay up front for the whole year or for 6 months and get a great discount compared to paying each month. That's an option that you can consider. Start a business. You may have said, I really want to start a business, but I don't have the money. Use part of your increase to start your business. You have free advertisement. You have Facebook. You can advertise here. You can sell here. It's just a wonderful platform. And then you don't even have to pay for it. So there is no excuse. Start your business, whether it be an online business. And I would encourage you to watch my video where I talk about multiple streams of income. I would also encourage you to watch my video on how to stretch your dollar. Moving right along. Have your kids think of a business that they would like to start. My grandson, he has a t-shirt business. He makes t-shirts, he makes masks, he makes a variety of things. Get your kids involved in ownership, learning how to own a business. Invest. Take a portion of your increase and invest. You may say, Celia, I don't know how to invest. Learn. Start small in various markets, whether it be the stock market, index market, the coin market. There's no excuse. We have to get in the driver's seat, or our money will continue to fly out the window. I hope and pray that you've learned something doing this video of what to do with the increase that you receive. I also hope and pray that you will develop a plan of action. If you're living in an area where it's very expensive and you can't afford it, move, downsize. Don't get stressed out to try to keep up with someone else. Downsize so that you can afford to pay your monthly expenses. Right now, with everything going on around the world, there's so many programs that companies are offering that will help you so that you don't have to pay the whole bill, maybe part of the bill. If you take your increase and pay all of your bills and don't have anything left next month, what are you going to do? Get with your bill collectors. Get on payment programs. Be wise. I strongly encourage you, and this is what I do. Whenever I get an increase, I always pray. I always pray for guidance. on what I need to do. God will give you guidance. He will show you what to look at, what to read, and he will help you, but you have to do something. It's not going to fall in your lap. Before you spend anything, write a plan, because it's so easy to go through money and it seemingly disappears. That's all. That's it. God bless you. God keep you. And I will see you soon. Take care.